train.
Yeah.
Cotton, sisal, tomatoes, and what else? Pineapple. Come from the east. Come across here, out into the water. The boat is waiting there to be
Loaded.
loaded with those stuff, and then they go on to the United States with those stuff from Cat Island. Back in 1870.
Wow. You don't know when the train stopped, like going out of commission, eh?
It should have been someplace around, I guess, 1900.
Wow. Jeez, I wonder if anybody got the name of the train.
Just, I don't know. I want to see the railroad track now, the railroad track. And this is in history, you know. You should find history books. Cat Island, this kind of stuff.
So all this could have been rock and they might have digged this out then.
No, this beach was always here.
Okay, so it's most likely natural.
And so you would see the location of the tracks,
Yeah.
that it came straight across this way. See what you got right there in the water?
The tracks. Come right out into the water.
Right into the water.
So we on top of it.
Couple years ago we had more because you could see this going straight out there.
And the water just eating it away.
Yeah.
What's up, man?